Today we are talking about access modifier in Java. The Java provides a number of access modifiers to set the access level for classes, variables, methods, and constructor. The four access levels are visible to package, the default, the no modifier are needed. Second one is visible to class only, private, visible to the word public, visible to the package and the subclasses, protected. The default access modifier no keyword. The default access modifier means we do not explicitly declare any access modifier for class, field, method, etc. A variables or method declared without any access control modifier is available to any other class in the same package. The fields in interface are implicitly public, static, final, and the methods in the interface are by default public. The first method is private access modifier. Methods, variables, constructor that are declared private can only access with the declared class itself. Private access modifier is the most strictly access level. The class and interfaces cannot be private. The variables that are declared private can be accessed outside the class if public creator methods are present in the class. Using the private modifier is the main way that an object occupy itself and hide data from the outside the world. Second one is a public access modifier. A class, method, constructor, interface, etc. declare publicly can be accessed from any other class. Therefore, fields, methods, block declared inside the class can be accessed from any class beginning to the Java in US. Third one is protected access modifier. Variables, methods, constructor which are declared protected in superclass can be accessed by the subclasses in the other package or the within the package of the protected member class. The protected access modifier cannot be applied to class and interfaces. Methods, fields can be declared protected. However, the methods and fields in the interface cannot be declared protected. The protected access gives the subclass a chance to use the helper method or variable while preventing a non-related class from the trying to use it. Uh, Access control and inheritance. The following rules for inheritance method are enforced. Methods declared publicly in superclass also must be publicly in the all subclass. Second one is method declared protected in superclass must either be protected or publicly in other class. Third one is method declared privately or not inherited all, so there is no rule for them. This is the SS modifier in Java. Thank you so much.